How to delete your WillTrade account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to delete your WillTrade account, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open the WillTrade application or website and sign in using your registered email or phone number and password. After you're logged into the correct account, go ahead and click on the My Accounts button at the bottom right corner. From the My Account tab, click on Settings at the bottom. Under Settings, select Account and Security. Inside the Accounts and Security tab, go ahead and scroll all the way down and you'll see Delete Account button. Tap on it. And before proceeding with the deletion, make sure that you've withdrawn any remaining balance, downloaded any reports or transaction history you might need later, and check if there are any pending trades or orders. After it is cleared, go ahead and select the region where you are trying to delete the account. Once you are done selecting, click on Submit at the bottom and confirm the account deletion by clicking on Confirm. After your account is deleted, all of its coupons, points, and posts made in the community will also be deleted. After you submit a request to delete your account, the team will process it within 48 hours. You can cancel your request within the 48 hours time window. Click on Confirm to confirm the change and then go ahead and enter your password for your account. Once you are done entering the password, click on Confirm. Now your request has been sent for the deletion. If you wish to cancel the deletion, you can do it within the 48 hours time window. So there you have it. That is how you delete your account for WillTrade. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.